Guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that uh, on your NovelToon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here. You click here on mine down here, just click on it. So then you come to next appear, it's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on auto purchase manage, click on it. And here can you find your auto purchases manage in this list on your NovelToon app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.